Hello, and this is Clicky. Welcome to my presentation, Web Analytics Basics for Small Companies. What is Web Analytics? Web Analytics is the measurement, collection, analysis, and reporting of Internet data for the purpose of understanding and optimizing web usage. Why do I need this, you can ask yourself. With the Web Analytics, you can understand your visitors, traffic patterns, marketing campaigns, conversion dynamics, and more. This tool can make it easy to fine-tune your website and campaign performance to maximize your return on investment. Analytics can make it easy to know everything happening with your web presence. Here, I will walk you through how to set up an account. For this tutorial, I choose Clicky Analytics software. Clicky is a complete web analytics tool that lets you see just about everything you could ever want about your website traffic. It combines historic reporting with real-time website monitoring in a way that is both easy and elegant. As far as software goes, it's hard to find better combination of simplicity, power, and value. You might ask, why bother with paid analytics software since Google Analytics is free? Answer is, I still use Google Analytics and keep getting better every day. But Clicky got some strength that Google doesn't have. Let me show you some of the main reasons why I like to use Clicky. Let's start with pricing. Clicky has both free and paid plans, as shown. They also offer white label analytics. All new accounts automatically get a free 21-day trial of premium service with access to all features and the ability to track up to 3 websites and 1 million daily pages. You can upgrade anytime during or after the trial. So let's go and sign up for the service. Registration, fairly straightforward, simple process. Click on registration button. Just fill up basic fields as you register any other service on the internet. Once you are done with this, you'll be able to log in. When you are logged in, you will be able to implement the tracking code to your personal website. That will be done by you or your webmaster on board. Let me show you how does it look after you implement tracking code to your web page. So here is user dashboard. You can fully customize your dashboard view using a clever drag and drop feature. So you can set up your analytics just the way you like. This is a very quick and easy feature that I have yet to see from other analytical tools. One of the reasons I like Clicky is that I have visual graphs on real present time. Google Analytics, it takes longer to see something like that. On a basics feature, Clicky lets you see every visitors and every action they take on your website. With the option to attach custom data to visitors, such as username or email addresses, you can analyze each visitor individually and see their full history. With the campaign function, monitor your campaign in real time. See how many visitors have come in through each campaign from your dashboard or the dedicated campaigns page. A campaign can also be set up as a goal funnel, allowing you to keep track of conversion rates and more. Clicky's uptime features alerts you when your site goes offline so you can react immediately. Your site uptime is monitoring from 5 geographic locations around the world, and alerts are only sent when a majority of the monitoring servers agree that your site is down. With links feature, Clicky tracks both inbound and outbound links coming to and from your site. With the Twitter feature is one of the most appealing feature of Clicky Web Analytics. If you want to track what people are saying about your brand on Twitter, this is the place to do it. Another strong benefit to Clicky is its powerful search report, which gives you the search data which brought users onto your site, but also shows your ranking for various keywords using a nifty integration with Sheer SEO. This enables you to track individual users coming into your site on particular rank terms and look at the user journey from an individual level. Clicky's engagement feature, the number of action each user takes is categorized on the engagement tab. The metrics reveals the engagement of users by looking at the number of actions they take. The higher the number of actions, the better. With the local feature, this is an interactive map of traffic locations throughout the world, showing the number of visitors per country. The content section shows us everything we need to understand which pages, posts, and categories are popular amongst our readers. By looking at the exit pages, for example, we can see which pages on our site leak the most traffic. This allows us to actively target the page and make improvements, which can then be simply tested over the period of time. Traffic sources feature provides a good overview of your traffic source broke down into the various avenues. We can use this metric to watch our site grow in both organic search and social media as time goes on and your site popularity grows. Next one is the spy wheel. It gives us full real-time look what's going on website right now. As you can see, we have the map of the world, and each of these dot means somebody is on our website right now. I mean right this second. I can see where they come in, when they live in real time, and function up here called big screen. When you click on there, it will pop up all in real time. So we only have one goals and any campaigns yet, but you can set up that anytime you want and we can track what's happening in real time. So there you have it. This is a short guide to Clicky Web Analytics and its features. I hope you are able to see why I have stuck with Clicky over the years. Sure, Google Analytics is also free and it's perfectly usable. However, the speed of Clicky along with its extra features just cannot be beaten in my opinion. There is also the interesting fact that Google doesn't always register goal conversions. In fact, I had one case where Clicky had over 40% more goal conversions registered than Google had for the exact same time period. But that's another post altogether. It is important for you to keep track of your site and your traffic. If you plan on turning your website into a business, you should be treating it as such. And for web businesses, understanding your traffic and your visitors themselves is key. Clicky is a good analytics tool. Try it out. Measure your success with the information provided. Change and tweak if needed, and keep your site moving in the right direction. Thank you very much for your time. This is Clicky.